Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 331 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Ease in Overstimulation, a quiet reset for days when everything feels too loud, too fast, or too much. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. When your senses feel overwhelmed, the first thing you need is space. Space to pause, space to breathe, and space to gather yourself again. Let your eyes settle on one still point. Let your shoulders loosen, and let your breath become your shelter. With each inhale, feel your body soften, and with each exhale, feel the noise inside you unwind, even if only a little. Now, say to yourself, I can take this moment to slow down. I can soften the noise around me, and I can return to calm at my own pace. If your mind is buzzing, allow it. Then gently guide your attention back to your breath, steady and simple. When you are ready, bring yourself back to the present moment and carry this pocket of calm with you through the rest of your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.